So the next topic is astigmatic clock dial and fogging technique. This is how an astigmatic clock dial looks like. There are straight lines which are radially drawn from 0 degree to 180 degree, and this test is basically used to find axis and power of astigmatism. This is a part of subjective refraction. So how we do this test? Number one is we occlude one eye because this is a monocular test. Number two, you have to find best vision sphere. Best vision sphere, you know that it puts the circle of least confusion on retina. So when you have achieved best vision sphere, the situation of the patient's eye is like that. If this is patient's retina, one focus is in front of the eye and other focus is behind the eye, right? So what we will do, we will try to fog the eye so that the chances of accommodation are eliminated. We will fog the eye using plus lenses till the vision is 20 by 50. What plus lens will do? It will bring both these foci in front of the retina. That is, the eye will be in state of compound myopic astigmatism. Both point foci are in front of the eye. And what is the benefit of doing that? When you have achieved this, the patient cannot accommodate, and we do not want patient to accommodate during refraction. One clinical point I want to tell you here, that this is also the principle of this test. If someone asks you what is the principle of astigmatic clock dial and fogging technique, you can say that to make the eye compound myopic astigmatism. If we do not achieve this situation, the accuracy of this test is compromised. So you have put the plus lenses and you have achieved the vision of 20 by 50, and we have achieved this state. Now you will ask the patient to look at this astigmatic clock dial and tell which line appears more sharpest and blackest. If the patient reports that this 90-degree line is more sharper, more blacker, then what we will do? We will add minus cylinder. Minus cylinder at what axis? At the axis 90 degree to the sharpest line. If this is the sharpest line seen by the patient, we will put minus cylinder in the axis 180 degree. You will start with minus 0.50 cylinder at 180 in this case, and again refer the patient to this chart and ask him whether still this is the sharpest line or not. If he reports that this is the sharpest line, then you will gradually increase the power of this minus cylinder until what we achieve, that all lines appears equally blur. Why I am saying that equally blur? Because we have fogged the eye here, so we cannot achieve clearer vision. So the patient, when he reports that all the lines are equally visible, that means that astigmatic correction has taken place. Then what we will do? We will defog the eye. While defogging, ask the patient to look at the Snellen chart or Logmer chart and gradually defog the eye until the patient is 6 by 6. In this way, we have achieved a proper astigmatic correction for our patient.